Hey guys, welcome to Make It Yourself. Today I'm going to install a new Dynatek ignition pulser into the KZ1000. So if you all saw my video where I was having rev hang, uh, one of the viewers reached out to me through Instagram and asked me to take a look at the advancer and the pulser. So I did. I re-greased the advancer, and on the pulser I found receding lines, which I'm wondering was leading to arc. So I tried to fix that, and it made it a little bit better. So that means that that's the problem, right? Because it wouldn't make a difference if that wasn't the issue. So I decided to go ahead and just upgrade from the stock one that came with the bike to the Dynatek DS2-1, which only changes just the pulser portion of this. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. It's a little bit different installation, and hopefully this will resolve my my rev hang issue. If not, one, it's good to replace this part anyways, but then that means the second option will be to replace the mechanical advancer, and hopefully that would resolve it. So we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and put this all in. Okay guys, so I've got the magnetic piece installed onto the advancer. So you swap out the original for this one here. There's a little magnet that's on there, so as it sweeps past these contacts, it closes the circuit and allows for electricity to pass through and so on, right? That's what makes it essentially get the signal. So now I've got to wire this into the bike. So according to the instructions, because this is a little different, so the original connection on this KZ is a 4-wire deal. So 2 of these wires go to the coils, and then 2 of them are for a 12-volt constant. This setup here is, 1 coil, 2 coil, and then this is for your switch 12-volt power. So as long as it gets a constant 12 volts when the ignition is turned on, it doesn't matter where this one is plugged in according to the instructions. And then I've also watched a few videos of folks installing the Dyna S unit that I'm installing, and same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire that up, and then after that happens, the next step in the process is to set the timing, which has to do with setting it at the most advanced mark on your advancer. And there's a little process of essentially turning the magnet and completing the circuit. So I'll use a test light for that, to make sure that at the when the advancer opens up all the way, that's when I get the actual signal. I have to do that for the number 1 and 4. And then once that's set, I'll check, double check it, and then you go to your 2 and 3, which is on the opposite of the advancer. And when you do that, this plate will actually be set. Any fine adjustment is done on the little contact deal here, and that'll get you all straightened, and I should be able to fire this thing up. But we're going to go ahead and give it a start so you can hear it, and we'll see how it goes. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any recommendations or anything else, go ahead and leave that behind. Like, comment, subscribe, If you love the videos, hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on the next one. All right, for now, thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.